If you've ever tried to install Adobe Acrobat Reader DC and run into that frustrating installation failed message, don't worry, you're absolutely not alone. In this tutorial, I'm going to guide you step by step through proven fixes for Acrobat Reader DC installation errors. By the end, you'll understand the real reasons these errors happen and be able to install Acrobat Reader without a hitch, even if you've already tried a few things yourself. Let's jump right in with some initial checks and simple fixes. These are quick and easy, but they often solve the problem. First, check your internet connection. I know this sounds basic, but a shaky connection is a surprisingly common culprit. To make sure it's working as it should, try downloading a large file from another reputable site, say something from Microsoft.com or Apple. If that works smoothly, you know it's not your internet causing the install to fail. If it's slow or fails, you might have found your problem. In that case, try moving closer to your router, or perhaps reset your connection before trying again. Next up, switch to a different browser. If you're using Chrome, hop over to Firefox or Edge, or vice versa. Sometimes, certain browsers have quirky compatibility issues, maybe due to a recent update or an extension running in the background. I've actually seen installs suddenly work just by swapping browsers, so it's worth a shot. Plus, it's quick. Just open the installer link anew in your chosen browser. While you're in your browser, you'll want to check if JavaScript is enabled. This step is important because Adobe's installer relies on JavaScript to run properly. Go into your browser's settings to confirm it's not turned off. If you've disabled JavaScript for privacy or security reasons before, don't worry. You can always re-enable it just for this install and set it back after. If the problem persists, let's move on to a more advanced solution. Sometimes browser-based installers just don't do the trick. So here's what you can do. Download the full direct installer from Adobe's website. This bypasses any browser-related issues entirely and gives you the complete installer package. Just look for Adobe's direct download link. It's usually labeled offline installer or similar, and save it to your desktop. Then run it without opening any browser windows. Still seeing that failed message? Here's a trick that works wonders. Download and run Adobe's Acrobat Reader Cleaner tool. This tool actually searches out and removes any corrupted files or broken installation attempts from earlier tries. Imagine it's like cleaning out cobwebs before moving in new furniture. You're giving the new installer a clean slate to work with. After you run the cleaner, be sure to download a fresh version of the installer. Sometimes the original download has picked up a glitch, so starting over is best. Now, if all else fails, let's check a few other things that can quietly block the installation. Your antivirus software might see the new installer as suspicious and flag it. Temporarily disable your antivirus or check for updates. Just don't forget to turn it back on after. Also, reboot your computer. It's such a classic tip, but so often a simple restart cleans out temporary bugs and frees up memory that might be interfering. Finally, check for system updates. An old operating system might not play nicely with the newest Acrobat installer. Go to Settings or Control Panel. Look for updates and install them if any are pending. That freshly updated environment gives you a much better shot at getting Acrobat Reader installed. Once you've tried these steps, you should be well on your way to fixing that stubborn Acrobat Reader DC install error. If you found this walkthrough helpful, hit the like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if a different solution worked for you. Subscribe to the channel for clear, helpful tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and good luck with your installation.